Hello coders, in the last video we have seen n rows parameter of read underscore CSV. In this video I am going to explain you skip rows parameter of read underscore CSV with 5 different examples. So let's get started. So now first we have to import pandas SPD. Now let me read our CSV file using read underscore CSV. As you know, my CSV file is available in D drive in machine learning folder which contains ML folder which contains DS folder, and here is CSV file. So let I copy this path and paste it over here, and the file name marks.csv. Now you can see marks.csv file over here. To check the help, you can write help pd read underscore CSV. This will show you the parameters supported by read underscore CSV. Now also, as I said, you can take the help of pandas.pydata.org. Here you can see these skip rows. In that you can provide the list, integer or callable, and it is also optional as well, that I will show you practically. Now let I jump to the Jupyter notebook to show you this practically. Now the first example. So here we are going to skip n rows from the starting while reading CSV file. So now let I copy this over here. Then also you can press Shift tab over here if you want to check the docstring of read underscore CSV. Now here you can see skip rows. Here you can see skip rows. As I said, it's a list like. We can also provide integer or callable, and it is also optional. So now let I show you this. So now let we start our first example. So skipping n rows from the starting while reading CSV file. So now here we have to give skip rows, that you can give any integer 1, 2, 3 or 5, the row that you want to skip. I want to skip first row, that you can see over here. Also you can skip first 2 rows, that you can see over here. So please remember, skipping n rows from starting while reading CSV file. So here if you write 3, skipping 3 rows from start in CSV and initialize it to a data frame, that you can see over here. It skip first 3 rows and initialize this CSV file to our data frame, that you can see over here, type of data, which is nothing but pandas data frame. Now next example, skipping rows at specific position while reading CSV file. So now let I copy this statement read underscore CSV. Now if you want to skip particular row at particular position like first position, third position and fifth position, that you can see over here, that we have to provide as a Python list. I want to skip first row, third row and fifth row from our CSV file. Now third example, skipping n rows from the starting except column names while reading a CSV file. So I want to skip first and second row without skipping our column name. So now again let I copy this. I want to keep this column name as it is and want to skip line number first and second. You can see in skip row, this will consider this as a 0, 1, 2 likewise. So now here we have to give list comprehension. So I for I in range 1 to 3. So as you know, in range, first one is inclusive and last one is exclusive. So it will take line number 1 and 2 and skipped it. That you can see over here. It skipped line number 1 and line number 2. In place of this range, let I copy this. Also we can provide the list to travel. So now here also we can write 1, 3 and 5. So it will skip first, third and fifth row of our CSV file that you can see over here. Now fourth example, skipping rows based on some condition. So for that we have to write the function. So now let I first copy this and paste it over here. Now let I create the cell above. So in place of this we have to write lambda function x, and we have to call this function with parameter x. So now let I create this function with parameter x, and I want to skip every third row. So modulo 3 is equal to 0. So if this condition is satisfied, then I have to return true, else I have to return false. So it will return this true and false over here, and it will skip the rows accordingly, that you can see over here. Now let I execute this. So now you can see over here it skipped every third row. If you want to skip every second row, then x modulo 2 is equal to 0. Also it skips every even rows, that you can see over here. Final fifth example, in that I want to skip n rows from the end while reading a CSV file. So now let I copy this and paste it over here. So in place of this skip rows, we have to write, you can see over here. Let I press Shift tab. So I am going to use skip footer parameter. Let I copy this and paste it over here. So I want to skip 3 rows from the end of the CSV file, that you can see over here. It skips last 3 rows. Here you can see the warning generated by the Jupyter Notebook. So in place, by default it is using C engine. So we have to write engine is equal to Python just to remove this warning, that you can see over here. Now in this video I have covered skip rows with 5 examples that you can see over here. I want to skip 3 rows from beginning. So here we have to pass the integer. I want to skip rows from particular position. So here first, third and fifth position, I want to skip these rows. So here skipping n rows from the starting except column names while reading a CSV file, that you can see over here. It keep column name as it is, but it skip row number 1 and row number 2. So skipping the rows based on some condition, that you can see over here. So for that we have to write the user defined function. If you want to skip some rows from the end, then we have to write skip footer. So it skip 3 rows from the end while reading a CSV file. Thank you for watching.